You have been doing dieting and workouts, but still your weighing scale is not moving and you are not showing any results. Friends, there is something common between you and me, that whenever we are not seeing any of our results on our weighing scales, we think that we are not getting fit in our life. But it is not true. I just want to ask to you one simple question, that if you really want to lose your weight, then will you cut your hand and will you get the results? The answer can be yes for some people, but will it be worthy? No. In the same way, friends, our body is consist of bones, muscle, blood, water, and fat. And the one thing which is not good for us, it is fat. If we talk about the muscles are the base of our bone structure. Our skeletal is standing on the basis of muscles. If we don't have the muscles, we cannot even open a cap of a bottle. That's why muscles are really important. And if you are getting any energy in your muscles with the weightlifting or the good diet, then you should have strength. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to achieve their dream personality. I give them the tools so that they can build their extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, if you're not seeing any results on the weighing scale, still there are so many things which you can see. It's a great saying by Mahatma Gandhi that bring discipline in your life. And if you are doing something to achieving your fitness, it means you are bringing discipline into your life. And if you have a discipline in your life, then believe me that maybe not today you are seeing good results as per your requirement, but you will see in future by anyhow. But the three things which you can see easily once you start your fitness regime or you start your fitness journey. Friends, many of the time, even I have seen in many of my clients that the weight plateau comes into their life. And do believe me that weight plateau comes. Like for me, if now I have to reduce 15 kg, it can be hard for me. But if I want to reduce around 5 kg, then it can be easy for me. So in the same way, plateau comes and you need to know this thing. But it doesn't mean that you are not getting fitness in your life, you are not getting strength in your life. What is your immunity? It is also important thing. Friends, the three things which I have mentioned, which I would like to mention to you, that whether you are not losing your weight, but you can see the signs, or there is some signature you can see that right now you are on a fitness journey and you are losing fat into your life, whether your weighing scale is moving or not. The number one thing which you're going to see, that right now you don't have the digestive problems, you don't have any hunger. Now you feel satisfied after consuming your food. You don't have to do the binge eating. You are not keep on eating more food. Now you feel satisfied and energetic in your life. Otherwise, prior to that, you used to eat whatever you want to eat, but because of hormonal imbalance, you were not getting satisfied. But now your hormones are in a balance. That's why you're feeling satisfaction after eating, and even energetic also. The second thing which you feel, that your blood pressure is normal now. Many of the people who are overweight, their heart needs to pump more blood into their body so that they can do their activity, even for the normal activities. That's why commonly they have the problem of high blood pressure. But if your blood pressure is normal now, it means that you are on a right way because of the vegetables and good food you are consuming. The third and the most important thing, which that your old clothing seems good on you, and many of the time uh, they are seeing now larger into you. Many of the times, many of my clients, what I usually ask to them, that give me your photograph of your before and after. Usually I have a program which is for the fat loss of 6-week program. In 6-week program, usually I give them the diet of that how to restructure their dieting. That it means the reverse dieting, keto diet, and intermittent fasting. And because of that, the detoxification of their body or the chemicals which they have into their body, it occurs into them. So that's why if we compare their before photograph, they have thin hairs, they have dark circles, they have pale skin. But now if we compare with the after 6 weeks, After detoxification, now they have thick hair, their face is charming, and they are smiling. And prior to that, they were not smiling. So that's why, and the weight, you will see the changes into them. So that's why, if you see, beside of your weight, many of the other things are associated with your fitness. And it's a survey that those people who are not fit, even they are not gaining more money in their career also. So that's why, if you are on a fit way, you are on a right path, and don't leave it, don't quit it because of the weighing scale. But I'm not telling you that do not calculate your weight on weighing scale, because if you calculate your weight on your weighing scale, it gives discipline into your life, and the discipline can make you fit. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but day after tomorrow it will be. Friends, if you want to start your health journey with the modern technologies like the keto diet, intermittent fasting, and reverse dieting, and if you connect with me in any of this, and if you are facing a weight plateau problem, and you are overweight and you have no idea that how to lose your weight, and you tried in the past but got failed, then feel free to contact me or message me. I can help you to give you the modern workout which you can do from your home or from your gym, and I will give you some diet schedule which will help you out to make your body and make your life a fit life. Friends, if you connect with me in any of this, then even I have also created a Facebook group so that you will have the future updates on my group and future activities which will help you out to achieve your fit life. Description, I'm giving you Facebook link description. Facebook link I'm giving you into the description. Do join my group for have the future updates. This is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.